Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to build a Lego robot. Now this is very simple yet detailed, so let's do it. Okay, so these are all the pieces you'll need for your robot. First, get this one, and then get this small stud with a hole and put it just in here. There. Now you have to get the jumper plate and put that on top. Now we need the eyes. So get 2 red studs, put them here. And then lastly for the head, add this tile. Now we have to get the long 1x4 red piece and put it on top. Now we have to make, let's put that aside. Now we have to make the arms. First, you get one of these tubes and put that Lego Technic half pin inside and put in the robot arm. Do the same with the other side. There. Now let's make the body. First you get another one of these pieces and put on the grill and attach it here. Now we're going to add the last bit, the legs. First get these 1x2 plates. So these are, put them, now we have to get another red plate, but this is a light one. Now we're going to make some boosters. So we have to put these orange studs. And then the yellow ones. Well, that's it. So this is the finished model. It's really nice, and I hope you enjoyed building it. Bye.